Oh, they're up here on the right. Looks like strawberries are over there. Blueberries are over there. That's not a lawn, you nut. That's a crop.
If I walk it, my leg gonna get green.
Yeah, you're not supposed to walk in it. That's like their garden. It's like a big garden. He's like the happiest he's ever been. What do you think, Levi? No. You find any good ones?
I found these. I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It looked like 5 to me. I think you counted one twice. I was gonna say it's 5, just like you're almost gonna be 5 next month.
Wait, let me count. 10, 5.
There you go. 5.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the 5.
Okay. So can you tell me what you're making, Cherry?
Blueberry hat.
And how is that gonna work?
I'm gonna put chocolate chips on a pan. Not pan.
Yeah, it's a pan.
Yeah, pan. And then put in the oven, let them melt, and then put a blueberry on top and let them freeze.
And then it'll look like?
A blueberry wearing a hat.
Yeah. All right, it's about ready to go in the oven, right? We just put it on 200 degrees. Don't want to cook it. We just want to melt it, right?
Yeah.
That's all the chocolate chips. All right, that shouldn't take very long. All right, I'm not sure. You try a couple and see if they're soft enough to squish the berry on.
Shiny.
Oh, not quite. Not quite. Go ahead and try again and see if they're...
Can I try?
Let Charity do it. This is her brainchild. Oh, that's it. That's it. Okay. Now you gotta get popping. Yeah, I think if we tilt the pan around, it'll work really well to get the sprinkles to touch the edge. So these blueberries are gonna have party hats, right?
Yeah.
These aren't just any old hats.
We have to tilt it so those will get spread out. Maybe we could do only like half the pan.
Yeah, and then now start rolling.
Okay.
So, okay, that's enough, Cherry. And so now if we just really gently roll it.
Oh yeah, look at that one.
Just don't want to,
He got a bunch of parties.
All right, you ready to go put it in the freezer? It shouldn't take too long to... Oh, we gotta turn off the oven. It's still on.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, we have to find a place for it though, to keep it flat. Oh, probably not very long. All right, tell me your berry recipe.
I just take the leftover chocolate from the blueberries and then put it inside raspberries, and they're delicious.
So it's like a chocolate-filled raspberry.
Yep.
Would you like to eat it with the chocolate still soft? Not like with a crunchy chocolate in the middle. Yeah, because we could have just put chocolate chips stuffed in there. But you think it's better with it soft?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
It's so creamy.
I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead and try, Cherry.
Come back here, fly. Try to get that fly out, please. Don't. It's mine. Catch a fly.
When trying to catch a fly with that container?
Yes, I'm trying to do it for Charlie's Bug Museum.
For Charity's Bug Museum?
Yeah.
All right, you got to get the ones out of the freezer, right? You got timer beat? Okay, go grab them. Yeah. Oh, I bet they will. Careful if you drop them too high, the sprinkles fall off. So it worked the best if you just grab the blueberry and just pop it off. Yep, just like that.
Mom, can I try one?
You want to try to pop one off?
No, I want to try it.
Oh, like to eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get them off into the bowl first.
I want to
Here,
see what this
if we bring the bowl over here, you guys can both put them in. Is that one going to come off?
Yep, this here.
Wait, and do that. What? You almost got it. Oh, there you go.
Make
I was
it
gonna say
last.
wait and do it last, and then we could
Okay,
pick
I'll
up
wait
the
for next
pick up the sleeve or the liner,
Can I try to pick up?
and that would work.
These
Yeah, you can try.
sprinkles got on my on my finger.
Just
Uh-oh.
pull the blueberry.
Yeah, you just grab the blueberry and pop it right off.
Two sprinkles
Can I
got on
eat
my
one?
thumb, so I'll eat these. What? Oh, that's the making nice one.
What do you think?
Yeah, I like the
Good.
Mouse.
Turned out good.
Oop.
I like them.
Don't handle them too much, or else the chocolate will melt. And we should probably keep them in the fridge for Dad. The ones we're saving for Dad.
Blueberry with the
Blueberry with a party hat.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's a blueberry party. You want to show me your raspberries that you made too? You made a bunch of them.
Dude, can I just put sprinkles on the chocolate?
Oh, you could.
Okay.
So yummy.
They're good.
What a great dessert.
We can each have one
Fresh picked berries picked today. It doesn't get any better than that.
more. Mom,
I know I could put on these.
You can have one
instead
more
of
down?
sprinkles.
What?
Just any little tiny.
No, I
all
did.
the
You
whipped
already had
cream.
your last
Oh, whipped cream would be good, but not until right before
already
you eat
had
them.
your last one,
What if you did like this?
Teddy, you already had your last one.
Oh, I kind of made a mess with the chocolate. It didn't work as well as I thought.
I'm
You
gonna
have to pick them up really gently,
We just pick them off the pandas.
like that.
Can I have one with sprinkles?
Sure.
I want to try.
Good.
What do you think? How many thumbs up?
120.
120? My goodness.